today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you just click here on Airbnb app here, or just click here on search. So then here add air or search, add it on search, then it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.